Hey guys, welcome back to another 10x income system video, guys. Where I'll be talking about reviewing and breaking down the 10x income system, guys, in my YouTube video series, guys. For those of you who don't know, Tabby D is the creator of the 10x income system, guys. She has built the 10x income system and has been running a digital marketing agency for herself, guys, for a few years now. For those of you who don't know anything about Tabby D, simply Google her or check out some of my other videos, guys, where I will be talking about more of her accomplishments, guys. But so Text Income System uh, is an affiliate system, guys, that requires no complicated setup. No experience or tech skills needed. No waiting for results. Although I will say, there is waiting involved, like anything else, guys. I mean, there are cases where people have gotten results in just like a couple of days. But like some people have to wait like a week or two for things to come in, guys. So that's kind of how it is. I mean, it says it right here, but being realistic, guys, things aren't instant. They're still waiting, guys. They're still planning, like anything else. But I will say people are making money with this, guys. I've seen it with my own eyes. I've seen it from the friends who recommended me in this program, guys, and I've seen it in the Facebook group. So this is like the private text income members group, guys, where I can actually see all the members, all the people who actually join a text income system, and what they're doing in here. Now, this is a private group, guys, so people are just simply posting their thoughts about the 10x income system, guys, answering questions to new people, guys. No one's being paid to do this. Everyone's in here talking at their own free will, guys. So for those of you who haven't seen me talk about this in previous videos, I recently posted a comment asking about the conversion rate of the traffic packages in this program, guys, because you will pay an additional amount once you get in the program for traffic packages if you choose to go that route. This lady here on September 1st paid $200 for a traffic package and got two sales on September 23rd, guys, but hasn't got anything since. So just by that case right there, guys, she has waited a little bit for results to come in. She got in September 1st, bought package for $200, and simply just waited for results. And it took about 3 weeks for results to come in. And I will say, every commission you get in the 10x income program is $297, guys. So she was definitely profitable after that, even though she had to wait 3 weeks. So maybe this isn't something to go like full time with, guys. But as you can see, she has made a little bit of money in those few weeks, guys. So hey, if you're just looking for some extra money in your pocket, guys, something like a little hustle on the side, then it definitely works in that way too, guys. Although I have seen people using this full time, guys. But not everyone is getting results in just a couple of days, even though it has happened. Some people might have to wait like 2 or 3 weeks, guys, in some cases, as you might have already seen. So I'm just trying to keep it realistic for you guys, and not trying to, raise anyone's expectations out of what's realistic, guys. I know you've seen a bunch of good things about this program from other people, but that's just kind of how it is. Results do come, but they're not instant, guys. There is work involved, just like anything else. Um, but I will say, for those of you who are just thinking about getting your feet wet, there is a 365-day money back guarantee. If you get in and for whatever reason, you're just not satisfied with the program and what's being provided, uh, there's always a 365-day money back guarantee. And I think that might bring some comfort to people who are new to this and just want to test something out to see if it can actually work. Because I will say the reason Tabby D offers this is because this is a new affiliate program that actually just came out about 2 or 3 weeks ago, guys. I think it was about 2 or 3 weeks ago. Obviously, it had to be older than that comment. Um, so I think it was about a couple of weeks ago, but it's fairly new. I think it's not even a month old yet. definitely not a month old yet, guys. So this is a very new system that just came out, and Tabby D is so confident that her members can actually get sales and make money using this program that she's willing to take a small loss for it, guys. So yes, that's pretty much the 10x income system, guys. Now, I think when it first came out, it used to be $9.97. Now it's only $2.97 for a limited time, guys. She could pretty much change this anytime she wants. So if you were thinking about this, guys, um, this offer probably won't be here much longer. And I don't think 365-day money back guarantee will be either. So I definitely think that's something to take advantage of, guys. So yes, the training videos were actually pretty simple to get through, guys. Mainly like basic setup, guys. You know how to connect your PayPal or your Stripe or whatever you're using. Very simple stuff. Of course, you had training videos and strategy that you could use and implement, guys. Of course, I'm not gonna waste the whole video talking about that. If you like, I can make a future video about that type of subject in the future, guys. But as you can see, these are some articles below about Tabby D and what she has accomplished, guys. Simply Google her or visit this page by clicking the link in the description below, guys, if you would like to purchase or just see and read some of these articles for yourself, guys. Because I definitely think it's important for people to do their own research on this before they decide to invest, guys. Just don't be quick to buy anything, guys. Maybe some of you who were in this affiliate marketing game for a long time, guys. Maybe at this point you're just quick to buy, buy, buy. But please do your research. Slow down before you actually decide to invest. No matter what someone's saying about it, guys. Just slow down, do your research. And now, I like to promote this. I'm new. Because there is pretty much no risk, guys. And I don't feel bad if someone gets on it and they don't like the product because they can simply just get a refund, guys. And I think that's huge for anyone starting out, guys. It definitely makes people a little more comfortable about this. And I think it's a very big favor that Tabby D is doing for her members, guys. Because she's so confident that people are going to succeed with this, guys, that she's willing to take a loss for it, guys. So I think that's huge, guys. I think that says a lot about Tabby D as a person, guys, and what she's willing to do. So you can actually have some success on here if you are beginning. So that's gonna be pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's content, guys. If you have, leave a like down below. And if there's anything else you want me to cover in future videos, guys, just let me know in the comments, of course. And like I said, there are a link there is a link down below to this landing page, guys, where you can purchase and of course look at some of these articles. I would definitely recommend looking at some of the articles first before you decide to make a move. But that's going to pretty much wrap it up for today's video, guys. I cannot talk today. That's going to pretty much wrap it up for today's video. I will see you all next time. All right, take care.